We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2020 Triumph Tiger Desert Edition in Sandstorm. So these are made as dual sports. So we have the spoked wheels, dual disc braking in the front with Brembo calipers, SW Motec cage for protection. We've got the upper and the lower. These really nice locking, hard mounted, but easy to detach saddlebags. And we also have the luggage rack on the back too. These motorcycles are shaft driven, no chain, no belt, really no maintenance. We have risers on the bars. And lots of lighting up front. We've got obviously the headlights and turn signals, but also we have some fog lights as well. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.